Want to know how to normalize your audio in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do so easily. So let's get right into it. First up, launch Audacity and import any track that you'd like. So let's say we have amplified this track and we need to make sure it does not get distorted or clipped. So for that, we normalize it. So double click on the track to select the entire track. Now go to Effects and then go to Volume and Compression and then select Normalize. Here you need to check Remove DC Offset so the waveform is centralized. And make sure your amplitude is -3 decibels. And once you're done with that, make sure it's checked as well and click Apply. Now if you've amplified or done any stop, normalization should make sure that your audio does not get any clipping or distortion. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.